Okay, in this video, I'm going to go over how to add and subtract terms and how to evaluate expressions. So in this example, it says, start with the expression 5c plus 4 plus c. Do not simplify it. Evaluate for c equals negative 3. Now, what evaluate for c equals negative 3 means is every time you see a c, plug in negative 3. So I'm going to write down 5 times negative 3 plus 4 plus negative 3. And then I'm going to simplify it until I get an answer. So I have negative 15 plus 4 minus 3. Then I could kind of make a scoreboard, and I have negative 15, positive 4, negative 3, and I have, let's see, negatives win by 14, so negative 14 is my answer. Okay? Now on this side it says start with the same expression, 5c plus 4 plus c, 5c plus 4 plus c, but simplify it first, then evaluate for c equals negative 3. So I can combine the two terms that have the letter c. So 5c plus, this is technically 1c, is 6c plus 4. And then I'm going to take my negative 3, and I only have to plug it in once. 6 times negative 3 plus 4, which is negative 18 plus 4, which is negative 14. I get the same answer. But what this example is trying to tell you is that if you simplify your expression first, you're going to have less work to do when you evaluate it, but you'll still get the same answer. So a good thing to do is when you look at an expression, see if you can combine any like terms before you plug in your value for your variable. All right, last two. Now I know on your homework, these are multiple choice, but I took the multiple choice options off. So I'm just going to solve these by combining like terms. Which expression is equivalent to negative 5x plus 14 minus 3x minus 5? So I can combine the two terms that have x. And keep in mind that you're going to bring the sign in front of the term with the term. So this is negative 5x minus 3x, which is negative 8x. Then I can combine the two constants. Now, remember, this isn't just 5, this is negative 5. So this is positive 14 minus 5, or negative 5, and I get positive 9. So my expression, when I simplify it, is negative 8x plus 9. Now, because the commutative property, I can also write this as positive 9 minus 8x. So either of these answers would have been correct, because the positive is with the 9 and the negative is with the 8x. Okay, last one. Which expression is equivalent to 15x minus 18 minus 28x minus 16y? Now here the only terms I can combine are the 15x and the, now careful, this is not 28x, this is negative 28x. I can't combine the other terms because this one has a y. And this one has no variable. This one's a constant. So these two terms can't be combined with each other or any other term. But the two terms with an x can be combined. So this is a positive 15x and a negative 28x. So that's negative 13x. And then I have the minus 18 and then the minus 16y. Now this might not be an option for your multiple choice. Because of the commutative property, I can change the order of these terms. So I could say negative 13x minus 16y minus 18. I could say negative 18 minus 16y minus 13x. I could say negative 16y minus 13x minus 18. You get the point? Because of the commutative property, you might be looking for an answer in your multiple choice that's in a different order than the answer you got yourself. I hope this was helpful. Please see me if you have any other questions.